When to water rubber plant? Here's a simple way to know when your plant is ready for a drink. On average, rubber plant needs to be watered once every 7 to 14 days, but please never water your plant on a schedule. Use soil moisture meter to test the soil to make sure the soil is dry enough, and this is how you do it. You take the soil moisture meter, you insert it in the soil as deep as possible, you test the soil in a few places, and if the soil moisture meter reading is between zone 3 and 4, 3 is the top of the dry zone and 4 is the beginning of the moist zone, then you can water your plant. Plants usually need to be watered more frequently during active growth season, which is spring and summer, and less frequent in the winter. The signs of underwatering is that when the plant is dropping the leaves, and the signs of overwatering is that when leaves getting brown or yellow. Still have questions about when to water rubber plant? Let me know in the comments below.